I make a few friends, and we probably will have some collaboration, and I have a very good experience in here.
It was a very nice experience. It's my first time on a boat conference.
When you have a conference in a boat, unlike in a conference on land, you have everybody staying there. Nobody leaves. So there's plenty of opportunity for you to interact with others during dinner or during lunch or during other various occasions. I would say I think it's a good experience. I certainly would recommend to my colleagues if they are interested in it.
Hello, my name is Hannah.
The conference was very interesting. I like it very much, and also the connections I made here, like the other professors and researchers here.
This is the first time I came here, and I actually saw a lot of different areas.
International Association of Advanced Materials. So formally, I'm delighted to welcome all of you in the City of Nobel Prize. The concept of this conference, of course, as I said, knowledge experience at sea, to ensure the maximum interaction and the most vibrant discussion by placing all delegates in the single vessel.
The reason why we put glass bubble in there is we want to lower the density. NASA said that I would like to have 1 gram per cc. So the material itself is 1.75.
We can determine, for instance, D bending, D K in plane, and so on and so forth from the energy, from strain energy, and so on and so forth.
Medical doctor or surgeon takes some tissue from the patient himself from another site. But this has a lot of disadvantages connected with the fact that the patient has pain.
First step, very important, homogenism, properties of product. The powder must be blending, mixing, or high energy ball milling.
Because when you start something to solve how to process the waste in the composite engineering, you must select one type of material to prove any idea, to get any information, to find any answers.
The concept is really amazing because even, having on a boat is one of the first experience for me and my professor. And we never tried it before. We just wake up, find yourself in another country, going from Stockholm to Finland, and then coming back to Stockholm. So it's like, oh, today, where are we?
I think this kind of conference innovation, we got great ideas. It's not only for research, and also we learned a lot of things about the people, how to communicate people to people. This is why I said it feel at home. The first time we meet people, but we never saw this first time. Just like an old friend, many years ago we meet before, and we're reunion today. So it's wonderful.
This is the band structure. It's a massive but gapless structure, and a perpendicular displacement field across the 2 layers will break the inversion center and open the gap. In a magnetic field, there's an 8-fold degenerate zero energy Landau levels.
Nickel was simulated by 2-dimensional hexagonal gravel lattice. The supercell passage system included 7
But again, there should be some stages to get into there. At that time, we don't have to find somebody who provide funding. Okay, so basically, you go out and then, convince your customer that may be something that will be of interest.
So in the case of my team, we learned, we do completely different process. Like we start actually to work because we are academia.
I know actually roughly what the cultures are in different countries and in companies they are looking at.
We buy materials from different companies and make it to certain technology. I think this afternoon site was quite educational, and I do enjoy it. My wife actually came with me.
It was very good, the activities, and I mean, even here, like we went for the supper and for the party, and the activities are great too, outside.
Recommend them to come to learn a few things because I was very surprised to see the diversity of this conference. It's not just about materials.
I would encourage to come. Yep, it would be great to extend the conference to other people, to another audience too.
Feel at home, that conference. So legacy, joy, encouragement, and innovation, all you found involved in this conference. It's a great conference I ever had before. And next time, I will encourage my students come for this conference.